In Indiana and Minnesota want to know if you've seen this guy on your screen. They're asking for the public's help in tracking down 28-year-old Kevin Mason, who was arrested earlier this month and charged with a 2021 murder out of Minnesota. Mason was accidentally released from an Indianapolis prison last week while awaiting extradition to Minneapolis. However, officials with the Marion County Sheriff's Office waited to let the public know in order to maintain a tactical, what they're calling, quote, a tactical advantage in that search. Let's dig in deeper on this one with NewsNation law and justice contributor and former FBI special agent Jennifer Coffindaffer. Jennifer, I have so many questions. It's hard to know where to even begin here. But local law enforcement said that they didn't alert the public to this, suspected killer on the loose right away in order to maintain a tactical advantage. Was that the right call when you're talking about a murder suspect?
I think in this instance it was, and let me tell you why, Marky. The reason was we know he was released on a clerical error. Basically, he was on 3 separate holds. That clerk saw 3, erased 2, thinking 1 would still be left for the hold, and then the Minneapolis clerk unwittingly erased that hold. So this wasn't somebody that escaped. So basically, he's let out the door. He's given all of his property back, probably wondering what the heck happened. And so the police didn't want to alert them that they knew he was missing. This resulted in the arrest of his girlfriend because he used his cell phone. Maybe he wouldn't have done that, and they wouldn't have been able to at least be on his trail somewhat if they wouldn't have alerted the public.
Yeah, and by the way, this isn't the only time that this has happened at this very facility. Obviously, this time those 2 record clerks have been terminated because of this booking error. The second time in as many years that something like this has happened, the same facility back in May of 2022, a suspect was mistakenly released, only to be taken back into custody 11 hours later. This facility's only been open for 2 years. So what is going on, Jennifer, not only here, but across the country?
Well, in this situation, these clerks were paid under $20 an hour. We don't know if they had really any experience. They could have been straight out of high school for all we know. Even if they weren't, they made this huge error. When a clerk that works at Walmart, as an example, makes an error, maybe some merchandise isn't paid for. But these clerks have huge responsibility and huge authority.
Yeah. And, on the flip side, going back to them not telling the public because this was a tactical advantage, I know you said you thought that this was the right call. But on the flip side, does this give the suspect an edge in, not being captured when you don't have the public's help in keeping their eyes peeled for him?
Well, of course, now they're peeled, but back then they were able to make some good discoveries. They went to Walmart, they purchased another cell phone. So now authorities have this new cell phone number. They know that he bought clothing, so they're going to know what clothes he has available. So they did make some good calls in terms of being able to get ahead of the game in that respect. But right now they full on need the media's help and the public's help in finding him. And he has some distinctive tattoos, including the cross, the tattoos on the neck and chest. So hopefully he'll be able to be brought in. But Marky, he eluded being caught for 2 years.
Yes. Yes, that's the next point I wanted to make. It took him 2 years to arrest him. So how difficult will it be to take him back into custody? What skills did he learn in that time that he's certainly using now to evade police another time?
Well, I think he'll absolutely go to people and places he's familiar with and knows he'll want help. And so that's the good news. Apparently, they are staking out friends and associates. The bad news is he was able to elude for 2 years, and he knows the mistakes he made to get caught. So I think he definitely has a leg up on this investigation right now.
Okay, well, hopefully this comes to a close sooner than it did for, Danilo Cavalcante. Hopefully it doesn't turn into another one of those where we have you on wall-to-wall coverage here in a couple weeks. Jennifer Coffindaffer, thanks so much for your insights.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.